Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making pancake syrup. If you don't know what that is, I know you've bought this severally, and today I'll be showing you how to make this from these simple ingredients. First, you need some brown sugar, some white sugar, and some water. I would also be adding in some vanilla extract, this brand. If you have original vanilla extract, you can use that, but let's get started. So first, you need a bottom saucepan for this, a thick bottom saucepan. If you don't have that, just use any saucepan. If you'll be using a non-stick pan, I don't know if that works, but this is what I'm using. So I've added in my 3 key ingredients, and you want to keep stirring this until all the sugar is dissolved. You see these little granulates, you do not want to see them at all, because those ones can burn at the bottom of a pan and form crystals. So we're going to keep stirring until all these granulates are gone. Okay, so guys, the high cost of living is getting really absurd, and this is an experiment phase for me to use to learn all the things I can make in my house to stop me from buying it. For example, this pancake syrup now costs over 3,000 naira, when barely a year ago it was less than 1,000. It was less than 2,000 naira. Okay, so we're not doing that anymore. I'm a single girl and I need to cut down my cost of living. So now our liquid has finally come to a boil, and I just swapped to a spatula just so that I can observe how it thickens. Now I want you to look at the spatula. You see how quickly the liquid drops off the spatula, like there are no residues left. In a few minutes this would not be the case, so just keep looking at the spatula. Now guys, I know you can notice that this liquid is a bit darker than the bottle one. That's because the bottle one is made solely with white sugar, but it has so much chemicals that thickens and changes the color. And right now we're using just brown sugar because of the molasses in brown sugar would give us that rich flavor that the pancake syrup normally has. To intensify the flavor of your pancake syrup more, you may use maple extract or a little bit of maple syrup if you have any. So guys, now I want you to look at the spatula again. You can see that now it's starting to keep residues from the liquid. This is just to tell you that your liquid has started to thicken up, and now is the time you need to watch it like a hawk. You need to observe this closely to make sure it doesn't burn, because at this stage it's already thick enough. Remember that when you bring it off the heat, it's going to thicken some more. So I turned off my heat because this is how thick I want it to be, and to that I just added in 1 tablespoon of butter. This is just to increase the flavor, because I am not using any artificial flavoring for this except the vanilla extract. Okay, so I am just going to I added in this tablespoon of butter to deepen the flavor of the maple, or rather to give me the illusion that this is a maple syrup more. But anyways, remember at this stage your fire should be turned off. Do not add in your butter when the fire is still on. Also guys, if you've been enjoying this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button so you can check out all my latest and amazing videos to come. So I kept on whisking just for a minute or two, and now I left this. I added in my vanilla extract, and if you watch closely, you see all the smoke the vanilla extract is making. That's because this is an alcohol based extract, and all the alcohol starts to evaporate once you add them into the hot liquid. So I let that cool for a little bit more, and now I'm just transferring it into the jar. Don't mind how runny you see this. It's going to thicken up as it cools down. Now it's very hot, so it's quite liquidy, but it would definitely thicken up. Now if you like this thicker, you can go a few more minutes on the heat, but trust me when I tell you that this is thick enough. So guys, you can also check out my waffle. I have a buttercream waffle video coming up tomorrow, and I use this liquid tomorrow, so I waited a day before using it just so that you see that it's in perfect condition. Okay, so guys, let me know what you think in the comments, and also let me know what other recipe you would like to see next while we go on this journey to cut out excessive expenses. Bye.